sparking a bright future. May River High School's Morgan Wegard has been named a South Carolina Lowcountry Technology Champion by the SC Department of Education. It's an honor that highlights her as a standout in career in technical education.
Winning the Lowcountry Technology Champion Award, it means a lot to me. I was super excited to win it. It really showed me that all my hard work has paid off, taking accounting classes, welding classes, general management classes, so it really felt like an accomplishment saying that all my hard work has paid off.
The senior earned completer certifications in both the welding and accounting programs.
I love the CTE courses because it's not just regular school. You're not just sitting there. It's always hands-on. You're doing something that you're going to use in the future. It's something that you'll actually do, or a hobby that you might pick up, or a job even if you're going into an accounting job, if you're going to a welding job, if you're going into a management job. So it's things that it actually teaches you for the real world.
Winning this award is a major accomplishment, and Morgan's teachers are very proud of her success.
Morgan is an outstanding student. She's always excelled at everything that she's ever done in welding. She steps up to the plate, is a great leader, as well as someone that learns. Anything that she does with her hands, it always turns out really nice. Just great personality and just an all-around great person.
Morgan is an overall fantastic person. She has a great attitude. Her work ethic is amazing. She goes over and beyond. She plays tennis, she welds, she does accounting. She's opening herself up to so much more for the future than just graduating from high school.
Morgan will now be taking the skills she's learned in her CTE courses with her to college.
This fall, I plan on attending Georgia Southern University as an education major. These CTE teachers have taught me how to bond with one another and how to make a good relationship with students and make courses fun and hands-on.
Morgan is just one of 12 students statewide to receive this award. Each honoree represents a different region of South Carolina. As the Lowcountry Technology Champion, Morgan will receive a trophy and a $350 scholarship check organized by the Regional Career Specialists. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.